Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu says, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam told me two ahadith, one of which I have observed, whereas I am waiting for the other. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to us, honesty was inspired into the depth of the people's hearts. Then they learnt about it from the Quran. Thereafter, they learnt about it from the Sunnah. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then telling about its withdrawal said, a man will sleep and the honesty will be withdrawn from his heart, and there will remain only its trace resembling a faint dot. Later, he will go to sleep again, and the remainder of the honesty will be taken away, leaving a trace like a blister, as when a flame falls on your foot. It causes blister, and that part seems swollen, but it contains nothing. A time will come when the people will carry out trade in the morning, but there will be no trustworthy person among them. Rather, it will be said, there is an honest man in such and such tribe. It will be said to a man, how sage, how smart, and how courageous is he. But there will be no belief in his heart, even equal to a mustard seed. And I was overtaken by a time when I felt no fear in dealing with anyone. For if he used to be a Muslim, Islam would turn him to a right thing. And if he used to be a Christian, his rulers would force him to give me my right. But now I trade with only so and so, so and so. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6497.